School leaders gain actionable insight into what effective instruction really looks like. Common Core Boot Camp gives leaders the tools to observe classrooms confidently, provide meaningful feedback, and support teachers in achieving higher levels of rigor.
The Common Core Boot Camp allows leaders to develop and move instructional improvement. You will have principals, you will have vice principals, you will have department heads. We give you day-to-day, month-to-month opportunities to have tools in your toolkit. Overall, even as a leader myself, I always leave with ready-made, ready-to-use opportunities for my teachers to drive student improvement. Come see us at the Common Core Boot Camp.